Some tips for finishing out your little biscuit craft kit. After everything is painted the way you'd like it, and you are actually able to paint your ears too if you'd want to, you're gonna wanna glue it together. So you're gonna actually put a little ring of tacky glue right on the body or right on the head and just stick your head on, make sure that it's centered the way you'd like it. You're also gonna use the tacky glue to glue in your ears. So you're gonna wanna either put a little bit of tacky glue right in the hole, or you could even put a little bit of tacky glue right here where the ear is going to set on the gourd. And then you're just going to lightly push them onto your dog head. Another thing you're gonna use the tacky glue for is your little muzzle here. You're gonna put a ring of tacky glue right here, and then you are gonna put your muzzle on. Now this, you might want to have a way to kind of prop it up, that way it can dry like that and it's not gonna keep falling out. The last thing you're gonna wanna glue on here is your wood biscuit base. And that, you're just gonna put a ring of tacky glue at the bottom of your body and just set it right onto the base, centered.